Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5 for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Having a reliable and efficient mini bench drill machine can make all the difference in precision drilling tasks. These compact yet powerful tools are designed to provide accurate and controlled drilling in a variety of materials, making them indispensable for workshops, deep projects, and small-scale manufacturing. In this guide, we will explore the top 5 best mini bench drill machines that stand out for their performance, durability, and features. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned craftsman, investing in one of these mini bench drill machines can significantly enhance the quality and precision of your drilling operations. Join us as we delve into the key features and benefits of these top-rated tools, helping you make an informed decision to elevate your drilling experience. Number 5. TOOL1 Shuo Mini Bench Drill Machine. The TOOL1 Shuo Mini Bench Drill Machine boasts a sturdy construction that inspires confidence from the moment you unbox it. The materials used are of high quality, ensuring a robust and long-lasting tool for your workshop. The compact design is perfect for those with limited space, yet it doesn't compromise on stability. Equipped with a 340W motor, this mini drill machine packs a surprising punch. I found it to be more than capable of handling various materials, from wood to metal, with ease. The adjustable downfeed travel and max stroke allowed me to achieve precise and clean drillings, making it an ideal choice for intricate projects. The TOOL1 Shuo Mini Bench Drill Machine truly shines when it comes to precision. The clamp diameter range of 0.1 to 1 cm gives you the flexibility to use a variety of drill bits for different applications. The adjustable tabletop size accommodates various workpieces, and the 2.5 cm max stroke ensures accurate and controlled drilling depth. Number 4. XMSJ MNTZ Mini Bench Drill Machine. The brushless motor of the XMSJ MNTZ provides impressive power, making it suitable for a variety of drilling tasks. With a rated input power of 710 W and a no-load speed of 2,800 RPM, this mini drill effortlessly handles drilling through different materials with precision and efficiency. Weighing just 11 kilograms, this mini bench drill machine is compact and easy to maneuver. Its small footprint makes it ideal for those with limited workshop space, and its portable design allows for convenient transportation between workstations. One of the standout features of the XMSJ MNTZ is its exceptional precision. The rated torque of 60 mm ensures stable and accurate drilling, and the drill type is perfect for achieving clean and precise holes. The machine's capability to drill diameters ranging from 1 to 13 mm makes it a versatile tool for various applications. Number 3. Allsome Mini Bench Drill Machine. The compact and sturdy design of the Allsome Mini Bench Drill Machine immediately caught my attention. Weighing in at just 5.6 kilograms, it's easy to transport and set up on various job sites. The build quality is impressive, providing confidence in its durability even in demanding work conditions. One of the standout features of this drill machine is its versatility. Whether we needed to make precision holes for wiring or tackle larger drilling tasks, the Allsome Mini Bench Drill Machine handled it all with ease. The drill press functionality was especially useful for maintaining accuracy in our work. The machine's customizable features were a significant advantage for our team. The ability to adjust settings and accommodate different drill bits made it adaptable to the specific requirements of each task. This customization contributed to increased efficiency and precision in our work. Number 2. CNCEST Mini Bench Drill Machine. The sturdy construction of the CNCEST Mini Bench Drill Machine immediately caught my attention. The robust frame provides stability during operation, ensuring accurate drilling without any wobbling. The materials used appear durable, suggesting a long-lasting investment for any workshop. Equipped with a 340W motor and a rated voltage of 220 V, this mini drill packs quite a punch for its size. The motor runs smoothly, and I've experienced consistent power delivery even during prolonged use. The 50 Hz rated frequency adds to its efficiency, making it suitable for a variety of materials. One of the standout features is the precision this bench drill offers. The max stroke of 2.5 cm and downfeed travel of 4 cm allow for intricate and accurate drilling tasks. Whether I'm working on small-scale projects or need to create precise holes in different materials, the CNCEST Mini Bench Drill Machine handles it with ease. Number 1. YunlinLi 795 895 Mini Bench Drill Machine. The machine boasts a compact and sturdy design, making it a perfect addition to any workshop or enthusiast's toolkit. The dimensions of 220,100,130mm ensure it doesn't take up much space, making it ideal for small workstations. The overall build quality is impressive, with durable materials that give a sense of reliability. Equipped with a robust 795/895 motor, this drill machine delivers a motor speed of 9,000 rmin, providing ample power for various drilling applications. The motor operates smoothly, and the power adapter, 12 to 24V, ensures a consistent and reliable power supply. The B12 chuck, 1.5 to 10mm, is versatile and securely holds a variety of drill bits, allowing for precise and accurate drilling. The machine's output speed ranges from 1000 to 4500 min, providing flexibility for different materials and drilling requirements. Thanks for watching this video.